Hey guys, today we're back at the Oratia Bowling Club. We've got a lot of new cars turned up today. Wasn't going to do a video here, but so much good stuff's happening today, so why not? Good old Elmo. Alright, what we got going on here?
Nice 40 pickup. I think that's got a late model Corvette engine in it. It's on airbags, pretty tricked up 41 pickup.
Pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah, I've seen this thing on its hydraulics. It's pretty impressive.
Yeah. Some of the usual cars.
Yep.
Yeah, we have a bit of everything here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Original Model A's to Minis, Triumphs.
So what's this one? Is a Chevy, is it? Or what's this one?
Yeah, 84.
Yeah.
84 Chev.
34 Chevy, yeah. Thought it was.
And
The Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper.
Yeah, this one's new.
The new 64 compact Fairlane. New Zealand new right-hand drive. Guys just bought it. He picked it up locally. Nice tidy car. Recode motor.
What's he running?
Oh, a small block Ford.
Oh yeah. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. A lightning truck.
Yep. This one's a big one.
Dave Luce's coupe. That's right, was here last week.
And there's the Hot Rod Lincoln.
Yeah, HotRod Lincoln with the Hogan heads, especially Hogan heads. Very rare setup.
We've got a bit of Mopar muscle here.
Oh yeah, 440, 71 Roadrunner. Pretty nice car.
Very cool.
Nice F100. Now here's a rare car. Oh, it's not a car, it's a panel van. That's a 1940 panel van. It used to be in an orchard, a vineyard up in Henderson for years and years and years. I remember seeing it 50 years ago. It was up there, but well, Grant's got hold of it and done it all up along with his two pickups and a few other cars. So it's a good job to Grant. Well done.
Yeah, very nice.
Very rare, very nice. And of course, rat catcher.
Yep. Doesn't look like snaps here today.
Yep.
Couple Mustangs.
Yep. Back-to-back Mustangs.
Brad's 32.
Yeah, look, there's a 58 retractable hardtop behind it.
Yeah, we'll get to that.
Yeah.
'34 sedan.
Dave's sedan.
Yep. There's your car.
Of course, you got Ian Taylor's Challenger. He's also got the big brother to that, the Dodge Demon, the red one that he drives around. Plus he's got 7 classic old hot rods and stuff as well, so he's got some nice cars. We'll do a shot of them one day. We'll do a garage raid and catch them all. Flathead Ted sedan.
His police car.
And Julie's 30 Model A Roadster. Back on the road. Just had an axle fixed in the diff. So it's all back on the road and going. 4V351 Cleveland. Nice car.
Very tidy.
Yeah.
Mm.
And good to see the coupe back on the road. He just finally got it fixed again. He had a munted front guard happened down Taupo some while ago on the trip, so that's just come out of the panel beater. But look what we got here. A nice, pretty tough looking 65 Corvette. Apparently it's got a 383 in it. Means business. It sounds good. It's a manual.
Looks pretty tough, doesn't it?
Oh, pretty tough. Yeah, nice for a lady's car. You can see the sticker on the back window. You have to have a look at it.
Alright, let's
Even
go.
got the Duntop number plates.
Now let's have a look at the sticker then. Oh yeah,
Badass.
fair enough.
Pretty tough. Yeah, pretty cool car. And then the old 58 retractable. Nice to see. We had a blue 58 here last week.
It did.
Bumper.
There's always something new turning up here, isn't there?
Yeah. As we say, we weren't going to do it today, but so many new cars, we thought we better go around and give everyone a quick look. Oh, look over there, Moray Sports.
Yep, we'll get to that one too.
Yeah. Wow.
There's always something new happening here.
There was some clown parking a jet car amongst them. Should be a law against it. There you go.
So what's this?
Morris 8 Sports. Brother Dave of one of the yellow sedan used to have one of these when he was young. Remember him paying £120 for it back in the 60s.
Huh, okay.
Yeah. He was going to restore his and pulled it all to pieces, and it never got back together again. So that was the end of the car.
Dang. That's unfortunate.
Yeah. Now we got to pick up. Haven't seen this one before.
There's always something new turning up here, isn't there?
Yeah. What is it? Is it a Joe bar? Looks like it might be. Yep, Joe bar.
Jova.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a new too.
Yeah, so as you see, we've got a car park full again
New
today.
cars, yeah.
You know what you need to buy?
What do we need?
You need to buy one of those little steady cams for your iPhone.
Yeah.
Right.
They're like $80 on trade now. And you just clip your phone onto it.
Now last but not least, I think we've got one more truck to look at. It's tidy.
Yeah. That's good. The garage is quite impressive when the door goes up and you've got those two sitting there.
He was young, he bought £120 They thought he'd restore it, he pulled it apart, and that was the end of it. Never went back together again.
Always some interesting stories going on around here too. Last but not least, a pretty cool old truck.
Good handyman, good builder. Did want jobs done, he's the boy to see.
Oh guys, thanks for watching our impromptu video at the Oratia Bowling Club. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos coming to you very soon. And we'll see you guys at the next show. See ya.